Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 image editing trends that will define 2024. From powerful AI tools to vintage aesthetics, we're covering it all. Ready to unlock the next level of image editing? Let's get started. Let's kick things off with the technology that's revolutionizing every industry: artificial intelligence. AI is transforming photo editing in ways we could only dream of a few years ago. With AI-powered tools, tedious tasks like adjusting lighting or removing objects are becoming a thing of the past. These tools analyze images with precision, automatically adjusting exposure, color balance, and removing distractions in seconds. AI is also pushing creative boundaries, generating unique textures, blending images, and creating realistic 3D models. The possibilities are endless. For a while, photo editing was all about hyper-realistic, airbrushed perfection, but now there's a shift towards more realistic retouching. This trend embraces natural beauty and imperfection. Subtle enhancements preserve natural skin textures and celebrate realness. This shift makes photo editing more relatable and appealing to a wider audience. People crave genuine, relatable images. Stepping into the third dimension, 3D photo editing. We're talking about creating truly immersive visual experiences. Imagine rotating a product shot 360 degrees or transforming a landscape photo into a 3D environment. It's like stepping inside the image itself. This technology is becoming increasingly accessible. 3D editing is now achievable for everyone, from professional designers to everyday users. Pocket powerhouses, the evolution of mobile editing apps. The rise of mobile editing apps has been phenomenal, putting professional-grade tools in our pockets. These apps offer advanced features like raw editing, layer support, and AI-powered tools. Capture a stunning image on your phone and edit it to perfection on the go. It's all about instant creativity and sharing picture-perfect moments as they happen. Convenience and power in the palm of your hand. Nostalgia overload, the timeless appeal of vintage aesthetics. Vintage aesthetics are making a comeback with classic film looks, faded colors, and grainy textures. This trend blends vintage vibes with modern techniques to create something unique. Add a light leak effect, give a landscape a faded film look, or experiment with vintage-inspired color palettes. This trend adds personality and emotion to your images, creating a sense of nostalgia. There you have it, the top 5 image editing trends shaping 2024. These trends are becoming more accessible, empowering everyone to unleash their inner artist. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in photo editing services.